All right, now we can work on this preview card here in the home and show the view count. Okay, so let's go to the preview card. That's components, links, preview card. So here we have the title. So on the image, I want to show these icons on top somewhere here. So first, let's import some icons we need. So we need to import the Font Awesome 5. Font Awesome 5. Let me quickly go to some other screen where I have used it already. Screens, account, Font Awesome. Okay. Let me just copy that and just paste here. Okay, so we have Font Awesome icon now. So I have the image here, so let's put it under the image for the moment just so that we can see. Font Awesome 5. So the name for the icon is going to be, we can use I. So we show the view. To show the view, we use I icon. And size, we can give size 25. And color, let's give the color. Let's use the value of FF9900. Okay, so that's the icon we can use for view count. So underneath this icon, we want to show the actual view count. So here, let's use text, make it center. Color, let's give the same color, FF9900. And here we can show the actual count, which would be link.views. That is showing 0 views. So link let me console log link in preview card, and let's have a look what we get. Okay, so we have this one. So each link has views. Oh, actually it's a separate entity. It is not part of it. Okay, so views is here, but we still have the old links in the context. So even though we clicked, but it hasn't really updated the context. But we can do that later, client side, so we don't have to wait for the server response. We can just increment the count of that particular link in the context. But for the moment, to see how this works, let me just refresh the app, and now you can see we have got the fresh data from the backend. This one got 3 views, this one's got 1, this one 0. Okay, so we got the data there. Now we just need to style it and then just put it somewhere here. So let's see how we can do that. So we have got this icon and text, so let's put that inside view so that we can apply some styling. So let me cut, use view, and let me just paste here, and we're going to apply some styling here. So in the view, style, so we're going to use position. Position is going to be absolute, and then on the right we can give some space 20, and then on the top 20. Okay, so that way you can see it's position absolute, and on the right, on this card's right, we have 20, so a bit of a space there, and on top 20, bit of a space on top and right, so it sits right here nicely. Okay, so while we are here, let's create one more icon to show the likes. But before we do that, if you're curious, if you want to learn more about these positions, you can Google it. CSS position. If you Google it, W3 School has pretty straightforward, easy to understand the examples here. You can try yourself as well and see how these positioning works out. All right, so let's go back to our app. Let's continue here. Let's add one more icon. So let me just import that first. No, actually Font Awesome is already there, and this icon will not be clickable. Okay, this is just showing the view, but the next one I'm going to create is we're going to show the heart icon, that is to like the link, and that will be clickable. Okay, so when they click, they will like the link, so we will record that user's ID in the database. All right, so for that reason, to make that clickable, we're going to use touchable opacity. So touchable opacity we're going to use, and inside here we're going to use the Font Awesome icon. Font Awesome. So let me change the name. This one we're going to use heart. Size, color we can leave as it is. Okay, so we got that heart. Alright, so we got the icon. Let's apply some styling on this one as well. Style, position absolute, right. This time we need a bit more space here, so right, let's give 80, and top 20, same as the previous one. Alright, so that way we get the like here. Awesome. Now let's give this the count, so how many likes this link has got. We can show that. At the moment we don't have. I think we still have that likes array. Let me just double check here. So we still got the likes array, so we can check the length of that. So link dot likes dot length. Okay, so it is 0 at the moment. Perfect. And because we used touchable opacity, it is clickable. Beautiful. So next thing, we're going to work on the like unlike. So we will implement this feature as well, and then we will be showing two other icons. One is to show the created date, and the other one is the user's information, which will also be clickable, and when they click on that user icon, we will take them to the user's public profile as well. Okay, so later I'm going to use Flexbox so that these 4 icons will be evenly spread out, taking off the entire available space. Okay, so that will look awesome, but at the moment we just leave it like this.